Welcome to MIIB, MSP Insights in Bytes, educating MSPs one soundbite at a time.
All right, so a quick introduction. I'm Alex Farling with Lifecycle Insights. If you don't know us, we're working to build the go-to vCIO and MSP client success platform in the IT and MSP space. But with me today, I've got a wonderful guest, somebody I respect the hell out of, and I'm going to butcher his name, which sounds terrible to say. Somebody I respect the hell out of, who I can't even say his last name. So it's Kelvin Tegelaar. And I'm sure I'm going to let you say it so I don't butcher it too bad, because I've already done that for you. So Kelvin, fix your last name for me and then we'll move on.
Yeah, so I'm Kelvin Tegelaar. I'm a blogger at cyberdrain.com, Microsoft MVP, and the CTO of an MSP in the Netherlands called Lime Networks.
Nice, nice. So I first met you, I believe, poking around in Discord.
Yeah,
I think might be the first place that it might have been Reddit, but might have been Discord. But I've known you for going on two and a half years now as we've done this Lifecycle Insights journey. It's been a blessing. It's been great to get to know you. I mean, I think you are on a very short list of folks, so I feel like just give a ton back to the MSP space. So on behalf of, as a former MSP owner, and on behalf of MSPs out there, thank you so much for everything that you do. You kind of sell yourself short because you just gloss right over Microsoft MVP, which is a hell of a title. Just gloss right over the CyberDrain blog, which is probably the go-to resource for scripting and automation for MSPs who are trying to do a little bit more than their PSA and RMM tools can do by themselves. And that's kind of what I wanted to dive into a little bit of today, with some stuff you've got out there on the CyberDrain blog. So first, let's talk warranty lookup scripts, because it's a hot topic. Just day before yesterday or sometime over the weekend, somebody popped up on Reddit talking about HP scripts and what it takes to script and manipulate HP. But you've already got Dell, Lenovo, and Microsoft Surface warranty lookups out there in scripts that MSPs can run. Tell me a little bit about what this is and how it works.
Yeah, so about a year back, something like that, I've created a PowerShell module that actually allows you to look up warranty of the biggest manufacturers. It also used to contain HP, but their API is so spotty that I just said, like, hey, I'm not going to support that anymore until something better comes along. But like you said, it's Lenovo devices, it's Microsoft Surface devices, it's Dell's, it's I think someone even added, an external contributor added Fujitsu Siemens devices to it. Okay. So you can even look up those, and that's actually something that's really cool about the entire PowerShell module. It's completely open source, and it allows you to look up the warranty for all of these devices.
The module itself lets you look up a couple of key manufacturers. Who is that a good fit for? Because obviously there are some MSPs out there that struggle with this. I came from an MSP where we did a good bit of automation and a good bit of scripting. We wrote some of the first Ninite integrations to PowerShell with Automate. And if you go help about and Automate today, you can still see my name out there, which is silly because I got all the credit for emailing it over to the at that point lab tech team, who gave me credit for the work that my brilliant people did at my MSP. But so who is this a good fit for? Who might this not be a good fit for? Because we're talking about giving away something that a lot of our customers come to us for. It's a starting point in our relationship with a lot of folks. Here I am talking about giving away one of the features that folks really come to Lifecycle Insights for.
Yeah, so the biggest thing is that it pretty much amounts to how much effort you want to put into this, because warranty lookup is something that you can't just say, I'll do this once and then you'll never do it again. It's something you have to do constantly, or at least on a specific schedule, like monthly or quarterly. You have to make sure that you know what the status is of all your devices. Yeah. So the biggest thing is, how much effort do you want to put into this yourself, and how much do your engineers already know? Are they comfortable using PowerShell? I mean, if you're an Apple only house that just supplies a couple of different laptops, a couple of different devices, but focuses mostly on Mac, this might not be the solution for you because you're not comfortable enough using PowerShell. On the other hand, if you are very comfortable with PowerShell, and if you have expertise in constant automation, or just running things on a specific schedule, knowing how these kind of scripts work, then it might be the perfect solution for you. So it's pretty much you have to weigh costs versus effort, and it really depends on yourself on how much that is worth to each individual MSP.
Yeah, yeah, and for those who are paying for it, we give it away as a feature. It's funny that you kind of give it away because you feel like it's something that that the community needs, that should be an easy add. We give it away with the rest of our vCIO tool simply because our CTO looked at it and said people are spending way too much to go out and invest in this. It should be easy. It should be free. Enable's already tucked it into some of their service offerings. They do a bunch of those warranty lookups in their platform. We do them in our platform. There's a couple other folks, I forget who all has some of them wrapped in, but some of them have that wrapped into their platform. So if what I'm hearing is if you've got those scripting skills in house, if PowerShell isn't big and scary, then it's not a terrible lift to go ahead and do this yourself. Am I
Exactly.
distilling that down to?
Absolutely.
Perfect.